when you work with different things, you always want to make sure that you know what the hazards are associated with them, and this stuff is one in particular. Oxidizer, somewhat toxic. Okay, and I forget what this other one means, but I suspect it means not good for you. Okay, but you can get a lot more details if you read here. This is a strong oxidizer. Okay, it also decomposes under the wrong conditions. And if you remember, well, probably most of you weren't born when the Valuejet flight went down over or in Miami, but it was caused by this stuff because they use this in the oxygen generators in aircraft for emergency oxygen supplies. Okay, so what you're not supposed to do is you're not supposed to add an electron source to this stuff, but that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, I'm going to take some potassium chloride and I'm going to melt it. Okay, it's an ionic compound, but for an ionic compound, it's got a fairly low melting point. Okay, so I'm going to use a really hot Bunsen burner flame and just heat up the top of this solid. Okay, it melts at about 300 degrees centigrade, so it'll melt pretty quickly.
I think that third label was environmental biohazard.
There we go. Those are all new. That's something that we're just learning about because the old labeling system was quite different. As long as there's some liquid in there, that should be good enough. Alright. Now for safety we'll do this, and we'll also shut the light off in the hood. Not for safety, just so you can see what's going on. There we go. That's getting up to about 4,000 degrees, I think.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
Not at all. He's milking the test tube beans from here.
Jeez. Wow. That Gummi Bear never had a chance.
Nope. So that's it, yeah. But that's what a powerful oxidizer can do under the wrong circumstances. Now there's another demo you can do with this stuff. What you can do is you can take,
Now would that have done like the same thing if I stuck my hand in it?
probably. You want to try the experiment? I don't. Because I sure don't want to be around when it happens. Okay, so another thing you can do, I'm just going to do a small amount. And make sure it's fairly non-lumpy. If you mix equal parts of potassium chlorate and sucrose,
So it would blow up in 2 seconds.
here cooling down. Okay, and you mix this very gently because friction can set this off. Then, let's see, where's our sulfuric acid? Take a single drop of sulfuric acid.
pour some.
Nope. You can usually do this with a drop. It's not well enough mixed. We need more finely divided sucrose for this. That's the problem. See, what it's doing is it's decomposing the potassium chlorate, but the sucrose isn't finely divided enough to get it to ignite. Okay? That's what it should do. Alright, that was a dud. Sorry about that.
Yeah, we'll see what it's like.